Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can force update Android phone immediately. So if you're wondering why your Android phone won't update the system automatically, this might be the answers. So the first one is that you need to check the internet connection because internet is very important when you want to update your phone. So update is a big needs a big or large internet or good a steady connection. So you need to make sure that the internet connection on your phone is steady. So the second one is you need to charge your phone because when your phone's doing the updates, it might consume much power to update, so your battery needs to have enough power to complete the update. So you can try to charge your phone. So for example, here I have a 53% of battery, so I think I need to update it before I do some update. So the third one is you need to check the storage space. So if you want to check it, you can go to the settings and click on the search bar at the top, search column, then just type in storage. So you need to make sure that the storage space on your phone is still enough, because if it's not enough, there is no enough space to do the updates, it might be resulting in update failure. And the next thing, if you want to update the phone, you can try to restart your phone. So like apps glitches or maybe the system glitches might be some issue if you if and it might be resulting in not your phone and not doing the update. So you need to restart the phone, and hopefully when you're after you restart, it will solve the problem. So if you I'm using a Vivo phone, so if you want to restart, you can just long press the power and the volume up on the phone, and here you can see there's this restart option, so just tap on that. And after that, if it doesn't still work, you can install the update in safe mode. So if you want to go to the safe mode, you need to long press on the power and also the volume up, and here you need to long press on the power off button, and there will be this option reboot to safe mode. After that, you can just click on OK, and in the safe mode you can try to install the updates. And the last effort that you can do, if the previous attempt is not working, you can try to do the factory reset. You can go to the settings on your phone, and in here you can just go to the system, and in here find the reset options. So you need to reset all settings, or you can do the erase all data of factory reset, so your phone will be in the factory state, or the like new again. But you need to make sure that you've already backed up all of your data, because all your data will be disappeared once you reset. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.